Kajingwan ra jong kamikalia ya lai tali ki bus stems kalong ban Pynduna ya kajing kapnya Nongbah Shillong da ka ba wengno ya ki lai tali ki kali jong ki riu shimet ha ka bus da kajing pentre kam menta ya riu tali ki bus la khmi lanti ba kani kajing thmu kan Pynduna ya kajing don jong ki kali hasurok da komba 6000 praspa tali kajing shakri jong kani ka kali kalayo I kajing ro ha ka ba ki kmi ki kpa bat ki khna school kila sngotu ya kajing mentoi jong ka baro lai tali kilentiyat balabu kerpang kila dapura bat ka sarkar kadang perkhat ban penyar ya kani kecing temu syakawai pat kisar kum ka jawai bat tura wat la kecing syakri kalong ka bacap kidon ru kecing namar ba kilenti syaki skul kilong ki barin ka sarkar kadang wat kilat kilenti ban pendon kam daki kali ki ba khamret ban weng kecing hai ka ba penyeng ya ki kali.
Very clear indication that the demand is increasing and there should be in future obviously this will go even more. So I request parents to think about this that the kind of impact it is absolutely safe and these kind of features nowhere in the country I have seen any kind of school bus services providing and there are other benefits of course the whole city will benefit out of less congestion so all these factors should be considered. And I'm sure in the future more people will come on board and STEMs will go on getting more and more buses.